All right, we got it going again. My camera is running out of charge, of course. So let me just hurry up here. See if I can get this going as fast as I can. Just got to get the cookies in there. Cookies, cookies, cookies. You know, decorate your bowl real nice. Put your cookies all on the side. Of course, I cannot believe this phone. Oh, always running out of juice. Maybe the camera took up a lot of juice. I don't know. It's just crazy. It's probably my phone. So anyway, so you got the cookies. And now we're going to put some more bananas. Cookies. We got the bananas. Bananas. Don't be stingy with the bananas. Just get them on there. I'm using a straining spoon so that we're not getting all that lemon juice on the bananas. I mean, in the bowl. Okay. So we got the bananas. All right, now we're going to put more cream. So we got the cookies, bananas, and then the cream. And there's our cream. Go ahead and get that cream on there. You know how I'm fancy, honey. I put it on there. And then I just have to be decorative. Can you see that? That's pretty. You gotta always make stuff pretty. Gotta make it pretty, honey. Pretty, pretty. Okay, so make sure you get cream all on the sides. That's how I do. Get that cream all on the sides. That way it's pretty. See, that's pretty. Pretty. All right, so now we'll do some more cookies, bananas, and cream. I don't know how much more time I'm going to have on my phone because it's running out. Like I said, guys, it has been a very long day of sewing and just very busy. I had like a lot of errands that I needed to do, running around. It's been a long day. So just get those cookies around on the side there like that. And then we're going to put them on top. In the end, you're going to have your final layer with cookies. All right. So that's the cookies. Let me put the bananas on there. And see, we had enough bananas to really get it all on there. So we made it as far as the bananas go. Cookies, bananas, cream. Scream bananas, people. That's right. So that is it, basically. I hope I explained it clear enough that everybody was able to really get a handle on how to do it, and I hope that your pudding that you make will be enjoyed as much as I enjoy the pudding. Oh my goodness. And you guys will be able to make this, oh my gosh, for years and years to come. So we're going to put the final layer of cream on top. final layer of cream. Well, that's why I have my knife, so that we can be sure and get all of the cream off. And put that right on there. You can just kind of push the the cookies on the side, like a little bit further down in the bowl. Because those cookies, what will happen is those cookies are going to get nice and soft, and that is so good. My mouth is like watering because I know how great this is going to be, and I'm not having any of it. Oh my gosh, but it is so good. It is so good. Anyway, just go ahead and make it pretty on top. Get that cream going. I normally just kind of do that little choppy kind of look. All right. Make sure we got enough cream going around there. A little bit more. Cream for days. Oh my gosh. Hope it's not too creamy. You can make it as creamy as you want to, though. That's fine. But this is heaven. A little slice of heaven here. Okay, I better hurry up because, like I said, my camera is going to run out of juice. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, my phone ran out of juice, but I wanted you to be able to see how it will look in the very end. In the very end. In the very end. All right, let's see. I guess I was too fancy. All right. So there is that. I'm going to go ahead and put a cookie in the middle, just to make it pretty. Put a cookie right there. Gotta be a perfect cookie now. We'll put a cookie right there. I'll put a cookie right there. I think that's cute, right? I like pretty things. So we got the cookies. Then I'll go ahead, make sure the bowl is nice and pretty too. All right. Get any excess off of the side of the bowl. Make that bowl nice and pretty. And there it is. Ta-da! Ta-da! Voila! Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Most importantly, I hope you get it right with all the things that I have shown you, and make the absolute best pudding for yourself and your family and just everybody, and just enjoy. Okay? That's it for me. It is done. It's a wrap. Have a good one, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye.